How Iron Dome works. How Iron Dome managed to intercept missiles, rockets, drones, and projectiles. The Iron Dome is an Israel mobile all-weather air defense system designed to intercept short-range rockets, mortars, and missiles 4 to 70 kilometers using a three-step process: radar detection, threat analysis, and the interception. It has a reported 80 to 90% success rate and is designed to protect civilian population from attacks as demonstrated. How it works: number 1, detection and tracking. A high sophisticated radar system identifies the launch of a projectile, tracking its trajectory and the speed. 2, battle management and control (BMC). The data is analyzed to determine the rocket's predicted impact point. If it is headed toward a populated and a strategically significant area, the system engages it. If the rocket is deemed to land in an open, unpopulated area, the system will not fire, ensuring cost effectiveness. 3rd, intercepting missile (TAMIA). If a threat is confirmed, a TAMIA interceptor missile is launched. It uses electro-optical sensors and the steering fins for high maneuverability to close in on the threat, exploding near it to destroy it on the air. Iron Dome components and capabilities. 1. Battery composition. Each system battery consists of a radar system, a control center (BMC), and several launchers holding 20 TAMIA interceptor missiles each. 2. Coverage. Multiple batteries are deployed across Israel, each capable of defending up to 150 kilometers. 3rd, limitation. The system can be overwhelmed by large simultaneous rocket servos. 4. Selective launch. If the rocket is headed for an empty field or the sea, the system does not fire, saving the cost 40,000 to 50,000 cost of an interceptor. 5. Proximity detonation. The interceptor does not need to hit the target directly. It uses proximity fuse to explode near the incoming rocket, destroying it in the mid-air. What are the contents of Israel's Iron Dome? Number 1, strategic layering. It is the lower tier of Israel's defense. Higher altitude threats are handled by Davis Lang, mid-range, and the arrow system, long-range ballistic. Number 2, exaggeration vulnerability. While highly effective, the system can be overwhelmed if thousands of rockets are launched simultaneously, a tactic known as a saturation attack. 3rd, emerging threat. Israel is reportedly developing Iron Beam, a laser-based system designed to complement the Iron Dome by destroying smaller, short-range threats at a fraction of the cost per shot. The question should be, does Iron Dome protect Israel? Yes, the Iron Dome continues to provide critical protection for Israel's population centers and infrastructure, though recent events in March 2026 have highlighted its limits against modern large-scale threats. Current performance of Iron Dome as of March 2026. Number 1, reported success rate. The system maintains an official interception rate of approximately 85 to 90% for projectiles headed toward populated areas. Number 2, cumulative impact. Since its 2011 debut, it has intercepted over 5,000 rockets, preventing an estimated 15 billion in property damage and 7 countless lives. 3rd, active defense. It is currently being used to intercept daily rockets and drones barrages launched by Hezbollah from Lebanon, missiles and drones from Iran, and proxies in Syria and Yemen. If there is anything you don't understand in this video on how Israel's Iron Dome works or how they intercept missiles from neighboring countries, you can ask questions in the comment section or use Google, make some research and read on your own. Yes, but I am available every time, anytime to answer your questions. This is Ikuchi. Keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel. Encourage me, yes, share this video, comment, tag your friends. I have many interesting videos in this channel. Turn on your notification button so anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Thank you. See you in my next video.